to vulcanization of rubber. Natural rubber. So vulcanization process to make good qualities of natural rubber, vulcanization process takes place. In the vulcanization process, the natural rubber is heated to nearly about 373 415 Kelvin. Natural rubber plus sulfur. Generally, it is added to 5% sulfur. 5% sulfur added up to 375 to 430 Kelvin. Nearly 430 or 415 Kelvin. 420 425 kelvins upon heating, it should be used vulcanized rubber. This vulcanized rubber can be very strong and stretchable, have good qualities. Then why it will be get good qualities? Because the sulfur can be forms links between the two chains of the natural rubber. So they may be joined at the double bonds positions. If you see, I write to two chains of the natural rubber, two chains of the natural rubber. So here this natural rubber, these double bonds are breaked and sulfur is joined at the double bonded positions. At double bond positions, at 2, 3 positions. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 1, 2, 3 positions, 2, 3 positions, 2, 2, 3 positions. 2, 3 of one chain and 2, 3 of other chain links with sulfurs. These are the cross links. Due to formation of this cross links, so the natural rubber become stiff and also have good properties. And the sulfur may be linked up to double bonded positions, double bond positions, double bond positions. Otherwise, allylic positions also sometimes, so it may be arranged. So allylic position means with respect to CC double bond, this is the allylic position. This is the allylic position. So at allylic position also maybe sulfur is forms links at allylic positions. Allylic positions. So the sulfur forms cross links at 2, 3 positions. That means double bonded positions. 2, 3 positions are at allylic position. So due to this, the sulfur cross links developed, then natural rubber becomes stiff and it is used in the automobile tires. So generally 5% of sulfur is used to making automobile tires. So and also the catalyst used in this reaction is zinc oxide and zinc stearate. Zinc stearate. C17H35 COO taken 2. This is zinc stearate. Zinc stearate. These are the catalysts used as a catalyst. So in the branch of catalyst, upon heating this temperature, natural rubber by sulfur, the vulcanization process takes place. Now, next to synthetic rubber. So these synthetic rubbers are the modification of natural rubbers. The 1,3-butadienes are the units in all rubbers. The 1,3-butadienes are the basic units. So here synthetic rubber example first chloroprene, chloroprene, chloroprene. This is chloroprene, also called. This is also neoprene. This is also called neoprene. Chloroprene is the units. That is neoprene. That is sorry, polychloroprene. Polychloroprene. That common name is neoprene. So the unit, this is the homopolymer. Homo mean only single units. Homopolymer of 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. 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 So natural rubber is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Polychloroprene is 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. So at 2 position chlorine. So this is 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. And if you see, this is upon polymerization. Sorry, 1,3-butadiene. So upon polymerization, which should be gives 1,3-butadiene. So in the presence of peroxides, it should be formed polymer. So N times. This is chloroprene, 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. This is a neoprene. This is the chain. Neoprene. In the neoprene, the double bonds are adjusted to 2-3 positions. Here the double bonds are 1, 2 and 3, 4 positions. So they are adjusted. They are rearranged to 2, 3 positions in the case of neoprene. So this neoprene is having good qualities compared to natural rubbers. These are used in the preparation of belts, gaskets, and also hoses. Used in the preparation of gaskets, belts, and also hoses. These are very resistant to vegetable and mineral oils, which shows resistance power to the oils used in gaskets, hoses, other materials. This is about chloroprene. Next example 2 is from synthetic rubbers, that Bunaeus. Bunaeus is the copolymer. Copolymer mean made by the 2 different monomeric units. So copolymer of 1,3-butadiene plus styrene. So 1,3-butadiene means this is 1,3-butadiene plus styrene. Styrene is here benzene ring with ethylene group. Okay, so this is the styrene, this is the 1,3-butadiene. So they are rearranged to Bunaeus. In the Bunaeus, double bonds are arranged at 2, 3 positions. C6H5 CH2. So this is N time. So double bonds are rearranged from 1 to 1 position, 3 positions, so 2 to 3 positions. So this is the Bunaeus butadiene style. This is used in the preparation of oil seals, okay, and tiles. Oil seals, oil seals, and also tiles we can prepare, and also some automobile tires also prepared. Automobile tires, so etc. Next to Bunaeus, third one is Bunaeus rubber. Bunaeus. So here this is also copolymer of butadiene and acrylonitrile. So butadiene means This is butadiene plus acrylonitrile mean this is acrylonitrile, vinyl cyanide. This is also called vinyl cyanide or acrylonitrile. This is, if you take these are n moles, generally we will take n times of moles always. So the double bonds again undergoes rearrange. You can write this is Cn like this. They are rearranged n moles. So now CH2 double bond Cn. So this is n times. This is buna n, butadiene and acrylonitrile. So this is also very useful. This is also called GRN. This is also denoted as a GRN. And this is used in the lining oil seals and also tank linings and hose pipes. Lining inside inner walls of the tanks can be lined by using bunion, and also oil seals and hose pipes we can be prepared by using bunion. So these are the generally synthetic rubbers, that is polychloroprene, bunias and bunion rubbers.